Hey guys, welcome back. If you saw last week's episode, you saw that Dana was in the kitchen with me doing one of my favorite hobbies, which is baking. And I know it was a little bit outside of your comfort zone, babe, but I'm so appreciative that you came and supported me like that. And I know you love to eat, so that helps too. So today we're gonna switch it around and I'm going to do his hobby, which is all things fitness, huh? That's what we're gonna do,
Yeah, we're gonna work out.
We're gonna work out. Yeah. Ready?
Sounds fun.
Okay, so Dana loves working out. He's been in the gym since you were 13, right?
Yeah,
14,
like
13
that,
or 14.
13.
Working out just because, and also for sports that he played, and also for his mental state and his frame of mind.
I'm usually at the gym every day except for Sunday.
At 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah, what she said.
Every morning.
What she said. Yeah, my dad used to take us to the gym before school in high school, and then it kind of, yeah. I think he's saying he wants to do that too, but no, it just kind of stuck, and I mean, I fell in love even after sports, and like she said, it helps my mental state. It's kind of like my place of peace, so I love the gym. Hey!
We worked out a ton before I got pregnant, and I was just so tired throughout a lot of my pregnancy that I would rather have slept than have gone to the gym. But we did go a few times, but prior to that, we worked out together all the time. So I'm trying to get back into the swing of things so that we can continue to do that again, or at least we can get on a schedule where he can go, come back home, and then I can go. But we're getting there.
All right, so you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna do a quick and easy routine. We're just gonna have some fun and
Sweat.
yeah, sweat.
Baby Hulk.
All right, everybody, so for the first workout, we're gonna do body weight squats, but she's gonna add DJ as her weight, and I'm gonna use some 10-pound dumbbells just to add the extra weight and the extra challenge. Squats are just for working that lower body.
Lower legs.
Yeah, and then
And that booty.
what she said.
Oh, P.S. His weights would probably be like 45s if we were actually in the gym, but we wanted to do the equivalent of what DJ is. DJ is about 20 pounds, so all you mamas out there, if you want to work out with your little one and have some one-on-one time still, you can use him as your weight, okay?
All right,
Ready?
so you're just gonna put your legs shoulder width apart, and then you're just gonna squat. All right, ready? Oh.
Yeah. Wait, how many are we doing?
I don't know, how many do you wanna do?
Okay. You having fun,
Look
buddy?
at DJ's loving this more than me.
Let's go to 10.
All right, I haven't been counting.
8. 9. 10. Ooh. Is that fun?
You have
Let's do
fun,
one more.
buddy?
Just because you like it.
You can do that shit.
Just because you like it. Just because you like it.
Yeah, do one more, do one more.
Just because you like it. Yeah.
All right, so for the next exercise, we are going to do lunges. Lunges engage the lower body as well. She's gonna use DJ as the body weight. Well, I guess he's not body weight, but extra weight, and I'm gonna use the dumbbells as well. All right, ready?
I thought you were counting.
2, I'm counting in my head.
Oh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one. Good job.
Now, if you want to make them a little bit more difficult, you can do pulses with each one. So you go 1, and then you could pulse for like 5, and then go up, and that could be 1.
Wait, show me one more time. You can post for what?
I hate you.
Come on,
You're
do it.
such a brat. So we're gonna see which one is harder. Which obviously both of them will be hard for me because he's just Mr. Fitness over here.
Yeah.
Here we go. Lunges one more time. Set, go.
2, 3, hey, 4, 5,
Squats.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Look at his face.
I know, I see him in there.
Are you having fun? The baby for squats and these for lunges because it helps to balance me on either side. When he's in the middle, it's a little bit harder. But I'll take him over weights any day anyway, so yeah. Okay, what's next, babe?
Oh, we need to get rid of this one.
Oh, not get rid of.
You know what I mean.
Bye, boo-boo. Thank you.
All right, so for this next exercise, we added our lovely ankle weight just to, yeah, just to make it more difficult. We're gonna do some, she likes to call them fire hydrants because it looks like you'll see. All right, so now we're gonna demonstrate the fire hydrant. You can go ahead and show them.
Fire hydrant.
Yeah, show them what the fire hydrant is.
Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is have your hands stacked underneath your elbows and your shoulders and shoulder width apart. And then your knees stacked underneath your hips and hip width apart. So you're on all fours. Keep your back straight and then fire hydrant. And then you hold it. So how many seconds should we hold it for?
3.
3? Okay, so.
How many, we gonna do 10 of them?
Sure.
All right, ready?
Ready?
You gonna count it out this time?
Okay, yeah.
Right.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, down.
I feel like a dog.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ladies, this is a booty builder.
It is.
Fellas, your butt is
One
gonna be
more.
on fire. Oh, my butt hurts.
So stack your arms, stack your hips. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
You're special.
I know. Try to keep your back as flat as you can when you raise your leg.
It works the this area of the butt cheek. That's like the outer area right there.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, you feel it right there?
Yeah, okay.
How many more we got?
5.
Now my right cheek hurts and my left cheek hurts.
When you go like this, it helps. Like the stretching we're doing. When Dana and I met, he was not flexible at all. I mean, he's still not really your definition of flexible, but he's gotten so much better.
To my excuse, I've had a lot of injuries playing basketball.
I'm not saying anything about it. I'm just saying that you weren't flexible. But yes, you have had a lot of injuries. Okay, what's the next one?
All right, guys, so for this next one, it's called donkey kicks. You're gonna stay in the same position, and instead of kicking, well, putting your leg out to the side, you're gonna kick it back and then hold it for 3 seconds. And then we're gonna add some extra core strengthening activity and movement. So we're gonna, when we bring it back in, we're gonna hold it and flex that core.
Okay.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Squat. 1, 2, 3. Squat. My dad actually taught me this exercise when I was like 13 or 14.
Are we at 10 yet? Yep, okay,
Yeah.
10. 10.
All right, next leg. All right.
You laughing at us? Are you laughing at us, Bubba?
I feel like everybody watching is gonna be doing it with us by the end.
They can do it.
You
It's
can
a good
do
home
it.
workout. You don't have to go to the gym for this. At first, when I started working out, I didn't really like going to the actual gym because I just felt too confined. I grew up in Arizona, so when I got my workout kick, I was always hiking. I was always outside, which I really love. And I still love to do that, but I do like to go to the gym and use the machines and free weights because we don't have those at home. And then I do like to take classes too. I like taking classes that kind of incorporate dance because an hour goes by and I have no idea that I've just worked out, and it's awesome.
Oh yeah, she takes this really fun dancing class in Arizona.
Sense of sound.
Yeah.
It's so much fun. It's this like Latin dance fitness class that incorporates like samba and merengue and all of those different things, salsa.
Just go to a Latin club and dance for an hour straight.
That too. But that requires getting dressed up and looking nice. And you can go do this class and just look however you want to look. So that's key.
Or that. All right, so for the next one, this is Jordan's absolute favorite. You ready, babe?
Yep.
So we're gonna do mountain climbers. This is to really work that core.
All right, here we go.
All right, so mountain climbers, you're gonna kind of have the same base to start out with, but then you're gonna kick your feet back. Come on, yeah, kick your feet
I was
back.
waiting until you described it all.
And then you're gonna bring them in. Bring each knee in. And it's like you're climbing a mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19,
Those are really good because they're good for cardio.
Yo, I broke a sweat for real.
No, me too. Me too.
All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is stretching. It's always important to begin, which we didn't do, and end your workout with stretching.
It's fine, guys.
Yeah.
So what do you want to stretch first?
I can't touch my toes.
What you doing, Bubba? Come here, Poo Poo. Shoo, 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 shoo. Come on, Bubba.
Oh.
Here, you can stretch with Daddy since Daddy can't touch his toes anyway.
So this is a good stretch if you do any leg exercises because it helps stretch everything that you've just worked when you're doing a ton of leg exercises. So your hamstring, your IT band, your calves to your Achilles. The further you go, the further your stretch and the deeper your stretch goes. So
It hurts.
he's still working on it, like we said. But yeah, so essentially you'll wanna touch your toes and then you hold for 10 seconds and then you go a little bit further, hold for 10 more seconds, go a little bit further, hold for 10 more seconds. Reach up to the sky.
He doesn't like reaching his arms.
Yeah,
up.
he
holds
likes to keep 'em in.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, look at him on his tiptoes, it's so cute. Yeah, butterfly. DJ does that really well. Okay, so I won't be able to do it.
It's okay.
You can
Only
do it
Daddy
this way.
needs to do it anyway, really.
Ready? Ready? There you go. Go like daddy. Toes.
Ooh.
Toes.
Realistically, you want to try and bring your heels in further, but like we said, Dana's not flexible. That hurts. Stop.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
And then it's gonna work all through here. It works everything down low. Yeah.
He's giving descriptions.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And then what? Then what do we do?
I guess we chill.
Okay, so now I'm sweating and I'll probably be sore tomorrow, but I like it. Thank you, babe, huh? Yeah, oh, you too, you gonna be sore too. Okay. Let's try and keep each other motivated, you guys. Let me know what fun exercises you guys like to do together. And as always, please make sure to subscribe. See you later. Let's go night-night. Okay, let's go night-night. Bye.